Hey, what's up folks? This is Quace Fulton, and today I'm gonna give you a beginner's guide to stretching. I'm gonna give you 5 tips. But before we get into that, make sure if you like what I have to say, go ahead and subscribe to the StretchPod channel and click like. And also click the bell so you can see anytime we upload videos, you can get them and be updated on the latest videos we're doing. Okay, thanks for coming back, and here are 5 tips for people who are beginning stretching and so you can not hurt yourself when you do it. Tip number 1, be patient. You're not going to get more flexible overnight. It took you a long time to get tight, and it's going to take you a while to get more flexible. So be patient with yourself, be patient with your body. This is a nice learning curve. This is a nice way for you to get in touch with your body and to understand what it's telling you with its tightness. Tip number 2, be consistent. Start out with 10 minutes a day. I started out with 10 minutes a day, and now I do it on a regular basis. Maybe not every single day, but at least do it 6 days a week. And start out, hey, if you're a person that likes to listen to music, put your favorite song on and stretch. If you're a person that likes TV like I do, watch your favorite movie or your show and stretch during the show, or watch it during a Laker game or something, But be consistent. But start out with 10 minutes a day. Tip number 3, work on your tight areas first. You want to get to the tight areas. You don't want to do your whole body yet. But you get to the tight areas, you'll eventually get to your whole body, but correct the things that are tight first and then see how it feels. Tip number 4, get a foam roller, use the foam roller. The reason why you use a foam roller is because muscles get knots in them, and you got to release the knots with pressure. So if you don't have somebody like me or a loved one or anybody working on your back or your tight muscles, next best thing is a regular foam roller, or get a vibrating foam roller. Tip number 5, you're going to do 10 reps, but do 9 reps. Like if you're touching your toe, touch your toe for 2 seconds, hold it for 2 seconds, then come back up, and then on the 10th rep, you hold it for 30 or 40 seconds, okay? Now the reason why you do the 2-second hold is you want to warm your muscle up, get the blood flow going, and you don't want that kickback reaction. And then on the 10th one, you hold for 30 seconds, because now your body's warm and it knows what you're doing, and then your nervous system won't react to you badly. Okay, that was my quick 5 tips. Hope you liked it, and I will see you on the next video.